How are we doing? Coach Greg here at Svelte Training, and today we have a low impact at home cardio workout for you. This should be fun. I know that seems ironic since I'm in a gym right now, but you can do this in your bedroom, in your cubicle, at the beach, at the park, wherever you are. You just need a flat surface, you and me, and we're gonna have a good time getting our sweat on. So here we go. Alrighty, 3 sets are all we got. First set, I'll be more explaining and demonstrating the exercises, and then the next 2 sets will be more of a complete run through of all of them, back to back to back to back of all the exercises, less talking my part, more doing on yours. So let's get started with exercise number 1. We're gonna start right off the bat with some step jacks, so 30 seconds on the clock, and here we go. We're gonna do the kick back variation, so just step to side, bring that leg behind you. This is a good one if maybe you have some leg pain or something, you don't feel like jumping. This is really good because all you're doing is stepping from side to side and raising that leg. This helps with your balance, with your core. Everything also helps loosen up your whole body. Gets your heart rate going for these next few exercises. 3, 2, and 1. Great job. We're gonna move right into lunge pulls. We're gonna alternate between legs, 30 seconds, and here we go. Just really lunge back. Doesn't have to be a deep lunge, just really step back with that leg, and then drive it forward. And then when you have this pulling motion, really helps burn the arms, triceps, biceps, chest and back at the same time. So here you go. Again, you don't have to go like a deep lunge. If you want, you can. Something like this is just perfect. 3, 2, and 1. Shake out those arms. Here we go with overhead presses, 30 seconds. And let's begin. Hands to your side. Just really press up. You could do fists, you could do open hands. This is where your arms are gonna start to burn because mine are. Really just press up. Just like that. Try to get it over your head. You're gonna feel it in your back and your shoulders. Couple more seconds, come on. Here we go. We got 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Shake out those arms. My arms are tired, but we're not done yet. Last exercise, we have squat punches. We're gonna get down to a squat and then throw 2 punches. So here we go. Shake it out. 3, 2, and 1. Get down and squat, bam, bam. Squat, punch, punch. Just like that. Don't worry about proper punching form, but just make sure you're not cheating yourself on the squat. You can go as deep as you need. Just try to at least bend those knees, baby. Bam. Just like that. If you want to be fancy, you can throw them to the side. Bam, bam. Get some rotational action there. Or just keep it right here down the center. Let's do one more. Bam, great job. That was your first set. Whew, I'm nice and glistening. I'm gonna start to sweat soon. This is gonna be great. Let's get started with set number 2, but first, water, 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 water. Hydrate, my friend. Alrighty, now that you know what you're doing, next 2 sets are on you. I believe in you. We're gonna have great time. So let's get started. Set number 2. Step jacks in 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Lunge pulls, 3, 2, let's go. Overhead press, 3, 2, let's go. Squat punches, 3, 2, and 1. Great job, second set done. One more set remaining. Grab some water to really get this done. We got this, one more set, come on. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be great. Come on, this is at-home cardio, baby. Gonna start with set number 3 and begin. Step jacks in 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Lunge pulls, 3, 2, let's go. Overhead press, 3, 2, let's go. Squat punches, 3, 2, and 1. There you have it. That was your low impact at home cardio workout. I hope you loved it as much as I did. I am out of breath. I am tired, but it feels good, you know? Got those endorphins going. I feel like I can take over the world. Hope you do too. And if you do, go ahead and click the notification bell to stay on top of any more of these type of workout videos dropping for you. I'm Coach Greg. I will see you in the next one. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.